thank you very much for being with us, and thank you very much for the significant support of our event, which you are doing from year to year. And we hope that it's a real recognition of the importance of this audience. You have impressed our audience now with a wide range of new technology Airbus is thinking about. It's electric aircraft, it's low-cost emission new fuel, it's zero-emission hydrogen aircraft. One question which is very obvious for it, all these new technologies, fundamental technologies changes, they will require a lot of funds to be spent to research, develop and certify all this new era, new generation aircraft. Do you believe that, let's ask a little bit another way, do you think that the development of the market itself will permit to make a cost for the flying at the same level or lower in the future? Something like this.
Yes, something like this. It's a very good question, but first I would like to thank you and the organizer and Boris for, as you say, this is the annual meeting of all the Russian actors, and we found it very important for Airbus to participate. We're happy to participate. We're delighted to see the format adapt to the new environment. I think a few years back we're focusing on technology, now we're looking at what happens after the pandemic. So this is something that we're very pleased to participate, and again, it's a pleasure. Now regarding your question, it's true that we're talking about new technology. But also, so this new technology it will be greener. And you're absolutely right, as Airbus develops a new product, but also when we launch a new product, you invest quite a bit. Aeronautic is a world where it's capital intensive. But therefore, what we're also seeing is after the pandemic, the governments are taking their share, they're supporting. You're seeing also the financing. I mean, the financiers are more and more encouraged to finance greener projects, to finance greener technology. So we see that happening on various actors of the ecosystem that allows the airframe manufacturer to develop a new technology, a new aircraft of the future. What we're also noticing is that the passengers are changing, and the societal expectations are changing, and we see that the impact of a flight is more and more of an importance when a passenger makes a decision. So all the actors that are part of the development of the aircraft, from the engine manufacturer, the airframe manufacturer, the financiers, the governments, are working to make sure that they each take basically an impact on the cost. But we see that the passenger is ready to a certain extent to spend a bit more money because it's a green flight.
I see. Looking forward to fly Airbus new generation, which will bring us more safe sky for the environment.
It will be a pleasure to have you on our flights.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Alexei.